Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to import an existing wallet into Rainbow Wallet. Rainbow Wallet is a non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet built primarily for Ethereum-based assets such as ERC20 tokens and NFTs, and it gives users full control over their funds by storing private keys directly on their device, not only on Strength or Server. Because of this, Rainbow Wallet allows you to import existing wallet created on the platform using a recovery phrase or private key. So if you already have a crypto wallet and want to manage it in Rainbow Wallet, you can easily import it by the following steps below. Importing wallet means adding a wallet you already own in the Rainbow app using its recovery phrase or private key. So first need to install the Rainbow app if you do not have so, and you can simply open to this Rainbow. And once you reach into this Rainbow Wallet, we can see there's in the top there's your profile. Simply tap over there and select add on the bottom. Over here that says you can import secret phrase or private key, and over here you are required to enter a recovery phrase or private key and you can restore your wallet. And that's it. Carefully type down your 12-word or 24-word recovery phrase in the correct order. Make sure all words are spelled correctly. There are no extra spaces, the word is exact, and this phrase proves ownership of the wallet. And once the phrase is verified, Rainbow Wallet will automatically restore your wallet. Your crypto balances, tokens and NFTs will appear after syncing. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to import an existing wallet into Rainbow Wallet. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.